Hello, good afternoon, everyone. This is Bob, N5BSB, and I ordered a mystery box from Main Trading Company. I've never ordered one before, and saw his live video. I thought I would jump on the bandwagon and get one and see what all it was about. So anyway, I've got the box sitting here. I'm going to open it up and see what we got. So it looks like I have a coupon good till January 31st. I don't know how much the coupon is worth, but there's a coupon code in here. Try to keep that from blowing off. An American flag. 3 foot by 5 foot with brass grommets. That's a nice thing to see right on top. American flag. Some paracord. Some more paracord. Some more paracord. And some more paracord. You got lots of paracord. Let's see what else here. Have solder extractors, desoldering tool, 2 of them. This is a TYT for a DMR 380. That's what it says. It probably worked for more than just that, but it is a TYT. There's 1, 2. This is a TYT, but this one's a little bit different. This one has a mini USB to USB-A. So, no, let me see if I got any more of those. I actually do have another one here. This one says for a 900D. It has a 3.5 millimeter jack on that one. So some TYT cables. Set those aside. This looks like an ICOM for like a tuner on an ICOM. I'm not sure what radio that goes to, but it looks like it goes into the let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6-pin mini DIN. Two bunches of alligator clips. And I mean, there's a bunch of them. 2 bundles of alligator clips. This is a set of, and this is an Exolite. I don't know if these are metric or standard, but I've used these in my professional career. That looks like standard. These are pretty much, I think these are all standard. but good quality. Exolite's always good quality tools. So a set of Exolite nut drivers. It says this was for sale for $15, so that's a good item. Let's see what else we got in here. Got a couple of RJ 45 to 45, I believe these are couplers. There's two of them here, so that would, you know, connect your cables if you need to extend. This is good for like mobile applications, for mobile radios, especially for like the some of the mic cords or control head to radio. If you got a remote mounting location, you can extend. So we got two of those. This is a cigarette lighter, USB-A with the light on it. Let's see here. This is just a standard audio cable, a red and white audio cable, RCA. This looks like an RJ standard, like an Ethernet RJ45, a retractable cable, which is pretty neat. Yeah, I like that. That's pretty neat. This is another RJ45 Cat 6. Nice quality. These were $4 a piece. I got one of those. I actually have two of those. What else we got here? There's an ICOM Vox PTT case. I'm not sure what radio this goes to, but anyway, that's a Vox case for ICOM VS-1SC. Okay, I got a bunch of these. Try to dig them out. Here's another cigarette lighter. Another cigarette lighter. USB. A wideband antenna. Looks like I can't tell if that's a SMA male or female. These are little short antennas for HTs. This one is definitely a SMA female. And I've got two of those. Let's see what this one is. This one is SMA male. I got two of those. So we've got some SMA short stubby antennas. Let's see, this is a PL259. It's a static brand, PL259. This is a cable TV splitter. Looks like a 1x3 or something like that. Oh, there's another solder sucker. So I got 3 of those. And here's another set of. This one is an audio cable. This was a 3.5 to 2 RCAs. What else we got here? Some custom RC paint. 2 cans of custom RC paint, and these things were not cheap. They were $10 a piece, so a good deal there. What else we got here? This is, I'm not sure what kind of plug this is. It almost looks like a plug for like a rotor antenna, but I have never seen this style connection before, so I'm not 100% sure what this fits on. But your cable would basically attach in. There's 4 wires here, so it's a 4 conductor. This is the strain relief. This screws on here, but I don't know what it goes to. It doesn't look like a Yaesu type plug. I know that for sure. Okay, getting down here. Let's see. We got a Midland external speaker, 8 ohms, 6 watt max. This thing was priced at $30. Nice external speaker with a bracket, screws, brand new. This is really what I bought it for. The whole box was just for this. The box is empty now. There's another SMA female stubby antenna, and this is another, I believe that's a SMA male wideband antenna. This looks like this might be some hooks for tent stakes or something like that. There's 3 of them. I actually have a good use for that. Digital multimeter. Comes with a temperature probe. Looks like it does, all your normal functions. Even got a transistor checker up there. And according to what Richard said, these sell for $29, or I think that's what this box cost was, $29. So, but I've been using the Harbor Freight for about the last 10 years, and it still works. Nice meter, but it's getting kind of old, and I thought, I wouldn't mind having another voltmeter. So this has got a fluke style case on the back where it has the places where you put your probes in. It looks like it's a little bit wider than the one that I have. Pretty nice little meter. So that's what's in this box, along with this coupon. So pretty impressed. I've never done one of these before, but a lot of stuff packed in that little box. So anyway, hope everybody had a good Christmas, and hope you have a good, safe New Year's, and we'll catch you on the next one.